Decentralized finance, DeFi, is a revolutionary movement within the financial industry. It leverages blockchain technology to create open, permissionless, and decentralized financial systems. Here's a breakdown to help you grasp the basics and explore this transformative space. DeFi stands for decentralized finance. Unlike traditional financial systems, which rely on intermediaries and centralized control, DeFi operates on decentralized blockchain networks. It aims to make financial services more transparent, accessible, and censorship-resistant. Key characteristics include decentralization, where there is no central authority and systems operate through smart contracts; transparency, as transactions and rules are visible on public blockchains; global access, allowing anyone with an internet connection to participate; and permissionless access, meaning there's no need for approvals from centralized entities. Core components of DeFi include smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with predefined rules that eliminate intermediaries and are deployed on blockchains like Ethereum, Solana, or Binance Smart Chain. Decentralized applications, or dApps, are applications built on blockchains that provide user-friendly interfaces to interact with DeFi protocols, with examples like Uniswap and Aave. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to stable assets, such as the USD, to reduce volatility, with examples including USDT and DAI. Popular use cases of DeFi include lending and borrowing, where platforms like Aave and Compound let users lend crypto assets to earn interest or borrow against their holdings. Decentralized exchanges, or DEX, like Uniswap and SushiSwap, which enable direct peer-to-peer trading of cryptocurrencies without intermediaries. Yield farming, where users provide liquidity to earn rewards or interest, often involving high returns and risks. Insurance, with platforms like Nexus Mutual offering decentralized insurance for crypto investments. And asset management, where tools like Yearn Finance help users optimize their DeFi investments through automation. The benefits of DeFi include financial inclusion, allowing unbanked populations access to financial services; cost efficiency, cutting costs by removing intermediaries; and flexibility, providing access to services 24/7, unlike traditional banking hours. However, there are risks and challenges, such as security risks from vulnerabilities in smart contracts that can lead to hacks; regulatory uncertainty, as DeFi operates in a gray area in many jurisdictions; volatility due to high risk from price fluctuations of crypto assets; and complexity, requiring technical knowledge to navigate effectively. To get started with DeFi, set up a wallet using options like MetaMask or Trust Wallet for secure interactions. Understand the platforms by researching and choosing reputable ones to avoid scams. Learn about fees, being aware of gas fees on networks like Ethereum, and start small by experimenting with small amounts to understand the ecosystem. The future of DeFi is evolving rapidly, with innovations like Layer 2 scaling solutions, cross-chain compatibility, and real-world asset tokenization paving the way for mass adoption. As it grows, DeFi has the potential to democratize finance and redefine global economic systems. Are you ready to explore DeFi? Dive in cautiously, keep learning, and leverage its opportunities.